Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to download and install Twitch application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, to download the Twitch app, first of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Also make sure that a device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box type in Twitch and search. Look for this application from Twitch Interactive Inc. and tap the Get button to start downloading the app. For Androids, you can tap on the Install button to start downloading the app on your device, and once waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded and it will be ready for use. Once the app is done, tap on Open, and that's how you can easily download Twitch right on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.